Hey guys, today we gonna show you how to DIY your own helmet using the leather crackle effect paint. Start your project by removes or cover the part that will not be painted with masking tape. Apply 4 to 7 layers of crackle base coat with a few minutes drying time between each layer. After finish applying all the layers, let the paint dry for 1 to 3 hours. When the paint is fully dry, apply the crackle top coat evenly and see the exciting crackle effect appear on the helmet. Wait for the crackle top coat to dry thoroughly and you will have a unique look for your helmet.